One. No. For extension, having perused the letter under reference, memo under reference dated 5/7/2024, and the reasons which have been assigned by the concerned court, we are inclined to extend the time period as ordered earlier for a further period of 3 months from the date of receipt of the copy of this order. References disposed. Next. Yes. I just do a clarification application. I was informed by Mr. Why it has come before this bench? Because it is a before matter, Lordships. Before matter, why? Yes, it's a clarification of order, and Lordships, while issuing notice, have already granted interim order as well. I was informed by Mr. Javed that he is having some difficulties.
There's a request for adjournment due to some personal difficulty. The argument.
Somebody else should have prepared. We are very clear. With great difficulty, the benches are being constituted. Isn't it? So don't take it as an ordinary course. Someone else could have prepared. You are all asking for adjustment at the drop of the hat in the special benches, but not adjourned cases. How many times the special benches would be constituted like this? It affects functioning of the regular benches, the other benches of the learned judges who are sitting in the special bench. All of you ask for adjournment, just drop of a hat. Yeah, what is this matter?
Well, the matter is that Lordships wide order dated 17/5.
In that case, I request for a passover.
Passover abhi, right now.
I'll seek instructions from the bounce.
Abhi isi mein passover aayega abhi. Zyada time nahi, there is already a bunch coming up.
Okay.
2 to 23.
Yes.
Modification. In item number 7, there is an application for modification. Therefore, all these cases have been listed before this applications. Item number 7.
There are 2 applications for modification.
In item number? So there is an application in 7 also.
There is an application in item number 10 as well.
7, 10 and
7 and 10.
7 and 10. Any other case where there is an application for modification? Because we will consider only modification application, not vacating the state to go before the regular bench. Yes, who are in item number 7, please tell us.
Item number 25, my lord. The council informed me just case there is death in his relation. Item number 25, my lord.
It in this case.
And the
25 days.
It is from 3 to 23, right? Yes. Let us see what is order dated 13/4/23. So what is prayer for modification?
Since 2030, that there are 199 posts. So directly issued and if diploma holders who are falling in merit, they will support appointment because they will not be affected by the outcome of the appeal. Either way, appeal is allowed or appeal is dismissed because they will get their place in the final selections. So our application to that extent is already modified. And diploma holders in combined merit list of delegate diploma holders who are falling in merit, their application process will not be approved of 2021. Our case is out of 199, if there are only 30 or 25 or 30 candidates of diploma in management, their appointment should not be there. What should be by the workflow direction issued by the office, the degree holders have been ousted. Any case notice direction is outbid, all the diploma holders will be there, and if the direction was in set aside, the diploma holders who are there in merit, along with degree holders, they also get appointment. So in any event, it is not highly applicable business or allowed. These diploma holders will be there.
Or if my learned friend has finished his argument that it will, then there are two applications. One is filed by my learned friend, Mr. Jaiman. Another is submitted by Mr. Samdaria. Now, there is a difference in the prayer which they are singing.
The degree holders are included and diploma holders may also be affected in the merit list ultimately.
Yes, कंसोलिडेट लिस्ट बना लेती है डिप्लोमा होल्डर उसका पूरा इफेक्ट यानी उससे वो जो फॉलो समझ में उनको अपॉइंटमेंट मिलना ही नहीं था डिग्री होल्डर्स आर इंक्लूडेड कंसोलिडेट लिस्ट बन जाती है लेकिन आपको उसकी सिक्योरिटी है subsequently.
That's a different matter that can be done. Theoretically, if these patrons are allowed, all the degree holders will be included in this select list. If their appeal is allowed, the result would be that inclusion of degree holder may exclude many diploma holders from the merit list.
They are allowed to prepare the consolidated list. Those who are coming in the merit can be appointed.
Follow these persons. How many posts have been advertised? 199. And how many degree holders are there? Here,
This is list to prepare.
you say that if a consolidated list is prepared, including these persons also,
Degree holders.
degree holders, and if it is found that there are many diploma holders who are above these appellants,
So 199 days or
All 199 being there, right?
no, I'm saying what I'm saying is that there 199 posts. There are 50 diploma holders. At least they will be offered appointment subject to outcome of the appeals remaining for 149 seats. Ultimately, your lordship.
how many degree holders are there involved in this?
This is by the staff selection.
The merit list was not prepared because initially when the petitions are filed, there is an
Initially, when you prepared list, the degree holders were excluded,
No, degree holders were included.
were included.
Yes.
The learned
For
signature says that they have to be excluded.
Yes,
And now we have said passed an order of status quo.
Yes.
So if their appeals are allowed, all those who have been excluded will have to be included.
yes, point right.
And a fresh merit list will have to be prepared. If upon preparation of merit list, these appellants are found entitled to be appointed on the basis of merit list of first 199 candidates, they will be appointed.
Yes, my lord.
Your argument is there may be cases that even if these persons are included, by preparing a consolidated, there may be cases that they may fall below many of the diploma holders. So how many appellants are there?
In my opinion, there are two.
No, you are not appellant, sir. Writ petitioners.
Well, that will be, in my respectful submission, that will be reversing the order of the learned single judge.
Court is considering the modification.
Diploma holders 199 पर आ रहे. वो तो in any case उनको तो appointment मिलना ही है.
ऐसे अगर इनके इंक्लूजन से अगर वो बाहर हो जाएंगे तो क्या होगा?
नहीं inclusion से नहीं, ये कंसिडर लिस्ट पर होता है मेरिट लिस्ट. Including degree holder.
उस लिस्ट में 199 लिस्ट बनी है, उसमें जो डिप्लोमा होल्डर होंगे तो वो उसकी केस है, either appeal is dismissed or will
तो सब इंक्लूड हो जाएंगे। ओरिजिनल लिस्ट विल बी पब्लिश। ओरिजिनल लिस्ट तो आपने बनाया होगा ना? You included all diploma holders and degree holders. Only degree holders. So they were not considered.
No. Degree and diploma.
It is the diploma holders which submitted the writ petition. They were agreed by inclusion of the degree holders. The writ petition was allowed. As far as staff selection board is concerned, they permitted, with permission of the Department of Personnel, that degree holders are also eligible. So they must have prepared a common merit list also. Now there are two applications I will submit. One was by Mr. Jain, another by Mr. Sabdalya. There is one unanimity to an extent that there should be a common list of both degree holders and diploma holders. But then Mr. Sabdalya, I believe, is to my understanding and according to Indian Abhinansh, fair enough. He says appoint both degree holders and diploma holders who are in merit.
That would amount to allowing the laws.
That will be virtually reversing the order of the learned single judge, sir.
Sir,
It does not create further complications.
Submitted by one of the respondents.
There are applications for vacating the stay pending. Then all these aspects can be looked into. Isn't it? While passing order on application for vacating the stay, appropriate arrangement can be made by the court.
Sir, staff selection board submitted.
It's a very detailed order, sir. All submissions have been recorded.
Staff selection board submitted an application, and that is staff selection board thereafter withdrew the application. A similar application that was withdrawn.
such application was passed at staff selection board.
Modification.
Modification?
Yes, after
withdrawn. That was withdrawn and not decided, and obvious because rejected all this.
But degree order. In any case, चाहे अपनी मंजूर हो चाहे
क्या है ना, क्या होगा जैसे इनको इंक्लूड किया डिग्री वालों, वो लिस्ट बनेगी, उसमें नया लिस्ट बनेगी, नई लिस्ट बनी हुई है,
इनको इंक्लूडिंग डिग्री होल्डर,
ये तभी डिस्कशन होगा ना, तब अपील अलाउ होगी तो
diploma holders
that would amount to getting a list prepared. Or that means we are directing implementation of a decision which was set aside by the learned society. Yes, and in that case, they will be kept there and then the diploma holder go ahead. Why would should then this not a problem arise? Obligations. They may consider. All right, take the order. Their applications bunch में लिखना. These bunch of appeals have been listed before this. You have also applied for modification. We are passing orders on modification applications. There's an application. These appeals have been listed before this bench as application for modification of order dated 13/4/2023 passed by this court has been made in night number 7 and 10. Land Council appearing for the applicants for modification would submit that irrespective of the result of the appeal, those diploma holders who are able to secure a place in order of merit prepared, including all diploma/degree holders, would be entitled to appointment, and therefore the interim order which has been passed by this court needs to be maybe modified to the extent that modified by issuance of appropriate direction for preparation of a merit list, and then to proceed to make appointment of diploma holders on the basis of their merit position in that list. On the other hand, and counsel for appellants would submit that preparation of a fresh list on the basis of the interim order would virtually amount to finally deciding the case and would create further complication. Full stop. What is the stand taken by the SSB in this case? How do you respond to it?
My lords, in this matter,
What do you say? We'll record it.
Initially, the application was filed for modification by the staff.
Learned Council appearing for Staff Selection Board would submit that initially an application for modification was also filed by them, but later on the same has been withdrawn. Full stop. What is your stand? What is your stand?
They are saying that review orders are in.
नहीं, ये इनका जो prayer पे आपका क्या stand है?
With that same prayer, we have filed the application and we are.
अभी इनके prayer पे आपका response क्या है?
That diploma holders may be given a point.
Learned, he would further submit that the prayer made by Learned Council for council seeking modification may be appropriately considered and directions may be issued. Paragraph. We are of the view that any direction to prepare a fresh select list would amount to virtually allowing this appeal, and it will create a situation where on the basis of selected candidates belonging who are possessed of diploma, full stop. This, in our opinion, may create some complications. Therefore, we are not inclined to modify the order, full stop. Application is therefore rejected, sub-para. We would, however, clarify that various aspects may be considered while considering application for vacating a stay, and it will be open to pass appropriate orders while considering application for vacating a stay. Matters will be listed before regular bench. हाँ, दोनों में application for item 16 में भी है क्या? इसमें तो लिखा नहीं. Who is the council in article 16? उसमें भी तो है.
To leave to appeal.
इसमें लिखा
You are not parties with before the honorable.
इसमें नहीं, you have filed item number 16. Application 2/24 for modification of order.
But that has been filed. Same.
So that means there are applications for modification 7, 10 and 16. Accordingly, applications for modification item number 7, 10 and 16 are rejected. These are being listed before regular bench. Next.
24. May I pray for a date?
Date we will not give. It is for the regular bench to take up. Yes, sir.
Petitioner was not in part.
What have we said? We have only said that take a decision in the matter, and if there is an enforcement, remove it. What do you say? Whether this issue was already considered and decided by the authorities. You may not be a party. We have not passed any orders against you. We only said that since a complaint is made regarding enforcement, the authority may examine it. That's all. Huh?
This is the land relating to the.
Where is our finding that this land belongs to whom? Where is our finding? It is very innocuous order. We want to push this case out faster than it was.